Hey, it's your girl Gina, back at it with another video. Nah, I'm playing. This EJ doing a voiceover for Gina. She's been asking me for a while.
It's your girl Gina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to achieve this look. I'm not perfect, you guys. I'm new at this. I'm still learning and I'm still learning new techniques. I'm just doing what I feel like is good for me. Don't mind these boxes in the background, you guys. I just got my package that just came in the mail. I'm in the middle of opening them, so don't mind that. Before we get into this video, I just wanted to say, if you're new, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that post bell notification so you can be notified when I upload. If you're not new, welcome back, fam. Let me just stop talking so we can get to this video.
Okay, so let's start. So today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial voiceover. So she just put a whole bunch of greasy stuff on her face. Now she's touching up her eyebrows. Okay, she's still touching up her eyebrows because them things was looking, you know. Okay, sis, okay. So she's adding, I think, is that eyeshadow? What is that you're adding? Crayon? I don't know. She have like a crayon and she's darkening up her eyebrows. That's okay. Now she's making her eyebrows on fleek. Okay, she's adding brown stuff around her eyebrows. Let's see how this turn out. Okay, girl, you should be an artist. Okay, skirt. Okay, now she's blending everything in. Okay, she's blending it in. It's starting to look good. Not yet though. She's still blending it in. Okay, go ahead, girl, blend it in. So it looks like you're supposed to blend everything in. If this is orange. Okay, she's adding orange stuff on, like, okay. Now she's white. She's adding some stuff around her face, making sure it's clean, you know. I'm still not feeling that orange, but I have faith in Gina. Okay. So far, she's looking like what the fuck and why. Okay, so she's adding white stuff all over her face, white and blue. Okay. Her eyelids. She's blending, she's touching it up. Not bad, okay. It's starting to look good so far. We've came a long way. Oh, now she's adding a different color. I'm not sure what color that is, but she's adding a different color. It looks orange. Okay. Okay, tap. Okay, tap. Okay, she said all done. How does it look, you guys? Comment below. How is it looking so far? Okay. I'm liking this little touch-up she's doing right there with the little white or gray, whatever color that is. Oh, so she's adding, what color is that? Red? Orange again. I guess the color for the day is orange. Tap. Tap. There you go. Tap. That's how you're supposed to do it, you guys. You're supposed to tap. Not swipe, okay? Okay, so that's, oh, Not me. I would have been blinking right now. She's used to it. Oh no. How you do that though? Okay, I don't know how. I would have been scared right now. So she had, I don't know, she added white stuff towards the inside of her eyeballs. Okay, so now we do X shapes, you know, just X. That's how we're supposed to do it. Just X, X, X. And then you get a sponge. And you just tap, tap, tap. And then you start blending it in, make all the white disappear. Okay, blend it in all around your ear. Don't forget your ear, you guys. You don't want to be mismatching, you know. You don't want your ears one color and your face another color, your cheeks another color. So blend it all over. You don't necessarily have to do your neck, but make sure you get your ears and all around, okay? Okay, good. So, okay, almost done, you guys. It's not done yet, but work in progress. Okay, let's touch up the little eyebrows again because I messed it up. Okay. Oh, tap, 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 tap. Bam, done. Next, we are going to add more. Okay, tap, 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 tap. I don't know what this is called, but I'm adding it around. She's adding it around the eyes. Okay, so this is the like finishing touch maybe. Okay, tap, 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 tap. Don't forget the other side. Make sure everything is even. Whatever you do on one side, do to the next, okay? You don't want to have one side looking orange, the other side looking red. Okay. Tap, 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 tap. More. Okay, so now let's get another color. This time we're going to add it. We're going to spread it around the face again. Nose, forehead, cheek, chin. Tap, 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 tap. Make sure everything is even. Okay, so she's tap, tap, tap. She's getting more. She's blending something. Okay, she's adding it on her cheek, her side. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, keep doing it. Okay, so now we're just gonna brush up my nose a little bit, you know, and get the nose looking all right. And you just tap, tap, tap around the nose. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, almost done. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, make whatever you do on the right nose, you're doing the left side of the nose. Okay, you guys, we're almost done. Okay, so next, we're adding more. Tap, 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 tap. I don't know what she just added. Oh, eyelashes time. Eyelashes on fleek. Okay, okay. Okay, girl. Okay. Now it's time to do the other side. Oh, okay. Artistic. She just added a little, you know, color around her eye. Tap, 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 tap. A little more around the cheek. Blend everything in. Blend it in. Oh, okay. More around the eyes. I don't know what that is, but she's adding it around her eye. I guess those are eyeshadows. I don't know. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, you got, oh, lip, wait, what? Okay. So she's using the crayon on her lip now. Outlining her lip, making sure it looks good. Okay. Now she's using the NYK, whatever that they call. Okay, a little lip gloss. Okay, glossy. Mwah, mwah. Oh, I don't know what that's called, but she's making her eyelashes on fleek, her eye brush, whatever that is. Okay. What's next, you guys? What's next? Okay, now she's doing her edge. Oh, woo, woo. Hold on, that was too fast. Go back. Rewind. Woo, that was good.